Welcome back. Churchill has warned the Congress that the party will pay for its act if a ticket is denied to his daughter Valanka. Sources in Delhi have confirmed that Congress is ready to allot only one ticket to Churchill family, either to him or to his daughter Valanka. This has compelled Churchill to threaten his own party during their Padyatra.
The Goa Mukti Suvarna Lok Samruddhi Yatra is moving towards Cong, making its stops at every constituency. It reached to Banauli on Friday. Political leaders like Churchill Subhash Shirodkar were a part of the Yatra. Valanka also joined the Yatra. They held a public gathering at Banauli late in the evening. Churchill cautioned the government not to repeat the mistake like last elections. Sources say that this threat from Churchill came after his Delhi visit on Thursday. Sources say that Congress had decided to allot one ticket either to Churchill or to Valanka. Taking clue from this, Valanka said that she should get ticket on the basis of her work and not as the daughter of Churchill
जायत लोक म्हणतात आलेमाले छोडू कित्याक पार्टी कितू टिकेट दितो काय हांव पार्टी को टिकेट आलेमांगे छोड म्हूण हांव केन्ना मागपाना पार्टीन म्हजो वावर पळोवपाक जायो हांव एक यूथ हांव एक महिला हांवें कितलें काम केलां तो आज आखो लोक तुमकां सांगतलो एकूच दिसान एकू उल्यान आखो लोक येयला सो हो लोक तुमकां सांगतलो म्हाका टिकेट कित्याक आणि म्हाका दिसता म्हजे पार्टीक म्हजेर विश्वास आसा.
Subhash Shirodkar said that Valanka will play a big role in Banauli.
Banauli गावात मुखार बरो फुडार आसा ज्या फुडारात by Valanka would play a big role.
A reporter in Banauli, Samir Bhatt.
Feast of Father Agnel was celebrated with great religious fervor. Bishop of Sindhudurg, Reverend Alvin Barreto, heard the solemn mass. He said that like Father Agnello, we can all live a simple life and be divine.
Thousands of people were seen flocking to the hillock to attend the solemn mass on Saturday. People prayed for their intentions. Many people were seen offering their prayers at the tomb of Father Agnello. Bishop Alvin Barreto said that we should strive to be good human beings.
आणि भाशेन आमचे गोंयकार एकामेकाचे नदर मारून तांचे जिविताची नदर मारून आमच्या गोंयकारांनी आमी बागेर जावंक शकता सादें जिवीत जियेलें आतां आमी स्पेशली एकदम सादो जिवीत जियेलो तो व्हडलें कांय काम करूंक ना आनी ह्या पासून आमकां एक उर्बा भोगता आमी सादें जिवीत जिवन बागेर जावंक शकता म्हणून आनी आमकां अडपण जाल्यार ताका सांताचो मान मेळलो जाल्यार केलें अडपण गोंयकारांक आनी म्हाजी मागणी जावन आसा ताका बेगीन सांताचो मान मेळो.
A reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
South Goa Progressive Truck Owners Association called for a meeting on 21st November in Rabindra Bhavan at Kurtsare. Local people dependent on mining business will discuss issues pertaining to the industry. They have also opposed the 10 kilometers buffer zone for mining.
Truck owners informed that they have planned for a meeting on 21st November to discuss various issues. They said that they will discuss issues about transportation of dump, buffer zone of 10 kilometers and other issues.
हे सगळं डिस्कशन करपा लागून डिटेल सगळं डिस्कशन करपा लागून आनीक आमची जी कितें मागणी आसा ती गव्हर्मेंटान योग्य प्रतिनिधी दिल्लीक धर म्हण तूं नाल्यार आनी कोणाक वरिश्ठांक ते प्रतिनिधी गव्हर्मेंटा मार्फत कॅबिनेटान वयर ते आमचे कळोवचें हेका लागून आमी ते मिटिंगी अरेंजमेंट केलेली आसा.
They asked all the mining dependent persons to attend the meeting.
मेन मुद्दे अशे की आमचेर जे गोंयचे लोकांचेर जे संकट येयलां मायनिंगा लागून तेजेर हेजे मुखार ते कितें उपाय करपाचे आसा तेजेर डिस्कशन जातलें. दुसरें बफर झोन सरकारान 10 किलोमिटर अशें म्हणलां ते आमकां मान्य ना. जे मायनिंग जे कन्विनियंट डिस्टन्स आसतले तशें घालून सरकारान एक रिपोर्ट धाडचो आनी जेणे करून आमकां ह्यो लिगल मायनिंग आसा त्यो चालू दवरपाक मेळच्यो.
Our reporter in Kuchide, Mayur Naik.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.